Hello everyone. So here is another offering from IBM. Thanks to the tech giant for the platform Enterprise Design Thinking to complete the course and earn IBM digital badges. Now you are to first sign up on the platform. So for sign up yourself, you have to first open your Google. I will show you. First, I am sharing my screen with you. So now we have now fresh tab. So here we have to write the link. There we can sign up ourselves for design thinking learning certification. So simply what we have to write here, I have one link, that is I will copy this and I will paste here. So simply you have to write here ibm.com/design slash thinking slash page slash courses and practitioner. Simply you have to click on enter button. Now you will get this page, or you can say this GUI of Enterprise Design Thinking Certification website. So here simply at right side you will get one thing, that is login. Simply you have to click on login button. Now you will get two options. Number one, create an account, and number two, log in with using IBM ID. So till now I think you don't have any IBM ID. So simply you have to create your account for accessing this course and for getting certificate. Simply you have to click on create an account. Now you have to provide your mail ID by which you want to sign up yourself. So here I will write one ID, that is one demo ID. Now you have to write your first name. I'm writing here Shivam. Last name Thakur. And you can give your password as your wish. Simply you have to justify these points. Number one, there should be a one uppercase, one lowercase, one number, and there should be a sufficiently strong password, and you have to give any character. Okay, simply I am giving this password. So as you can see right side in this panel, all things are correct. So I have just created my password. Come down. Simply you have to click on next. Okay. So now it will send 7-digit code on your mail ID. Simply you have to check your mail ID. My mail ID again. I will check. Yeah, I have received new code 7775325. 7775325. Now come down and create account. Okay. So now you can see you will be direct to the target page shortly. Okay. Great news. You already have access to the platform. Simply you have sign up yourself. Now click on login. So now you can see I have just signed up myself with the Shivam Thakur mail ID. So now you can see Shivam Thakur is signed up successfully. Now log in, and now we have these courses available here. First we have to cover these courses one by one, then we will get digital badge given by IBM.
Thank you. Subscribe the channel and stay tuned for the further updates on the courses.